All right, Jeffrey here from the Atlanta Typewriter Club. Just a little quick video on slug cleaning 101. I've got my little bottle of clean strip odorless mineral spirits. We're outside in a well-ventilated area. I've got my little nozzle bottle. So I am just hydrating each of these slugs, getting all this schmutz off, all that stuff. We've got a nice series of brushes here. We've got a nice little steel brush. You could also get a brass brush, also have a nylon brush. I like to start soft and then go aggressive as to not damage the slugs. So after our slugs are hydrated, we're gonna use this little nylon brush and just go to work. This is an early 1920s Underwood 4-bank portable. As you can tell, I've got everything that's got paint or decals covered because I don't want any of this stuff damaging the paint on these machines because they're quite sensitive. So as you can see, just from the first round, it's coming off. So we're gonna hit this with subsequent rounds, hit it with a little air gun. And as you can see, already making a huge impact. So a couple more rounds, we'll be in great shape. So that's your tutorial for the day on slug cleaning.